Hey everybody, this is Zach, and today, that's a little behind the scenes. That's a little bit of real talk right now. I've been asked quite recently, what's the deal with ITProTV? Why is it that you're always talking about them? You're always promoting them in some way. Why? What do they do for you? I think I answer that the best way that I can every time it comes up, because I believe in what they do. And that's really the most honest, genuine answer that I can give. I believe in what they do. I just heard about ITProTV last year. I checked out what they were doing. I looked at their content. I looked at their material. And to be quite honest with you, I've seen tons of other, providers in their space before. Nothing, I don't think, compares to what ITProTV is doing right now. And I think they've kind of changed that game. I think they've changed the game of e-learning. And I don't like using that term e-learning, but essentially that's kind of what they're doing, And they've kind of coined this term edutainers, and you've probably heard me say that. You've heard them say it multiple times if you've checked them out already. But their material is entertaining. I find it entertaining. I can watch their material and it's entertaining. It's not always like strictly just all guns in, like on the material. You're gonna learn the entire time, and they don't go off beat at all. But it's entertaining. It's how they present it, It's like you have the most amazing teacher. Like you could think back in high school, or even when you were like in junior high or whatever, and you had like the coolest teacher in the world, right? And you're like, man, I wish I had this teacher forever. I think like every single host at ITProTV is that teacher, because the way that they present the material to you and the way that they talk to you, they're that cool teacher. They're that person that's like, oh man, this is cool. Like this is entertaining. I'm getting this material. I'm understanding it, and I'm relaxed. I'm following it. I just get it. And I like it. I enjoy it. That's kind of just that feeling that I have when I watch ITProTV. That's what I get. So that's why I promote it. I like it. I enjoy it. And last year, I had the opportunity to go out there and meet all the people over there at ITProTV. It was the best experience I think I've ever had. And I was kind of overwhelmed by the whole entire thing, because it was just like completely out of like reality for me. All the people there were so incredibly nice and genuine. Every single one of them came up to me, introduced themselves to me, shook my hand, and it was fantastic. They didn't have to do that for me. I wasn't really anybody special, I'm not a special person to come in there and walk around their studios and talk to everybody. Like, I'm not some big baller, cash money dude, making them millions upon millions of dollars. That's not who I am. But they treated me like I was like one of their own. So I've had like both sides of this experience from them. I've had the experience where I'm learning from them, and I've had the experience where I've actually got to see behind the scenes. So I know the type of people that they are behind the scenes, and I know the type of people they are when they're actually hosting their material. And I couldn't say better things about them. So for me to promote them, for me to talk about them, I genuinely believe in what they do. And that's why I do it. I do it because I believe. And I've always said this from the very beginning of this channel. I think from the first time that I ever promoted a company, that I would never promote something that I didn't believe in. I would never promote something that I didn't like. For me to continuously talk about them, for me to always kind of mention something about them, to wear their t-shirts. I wear their t-shirts everywhere. I believe in what they do. I like what they do. I watch their stuff because I like it. I don't watch their stuff because of YouTube. I don't watch their stuff for anybody's enjoyment but my own. So if I can share that with anybody, if I can share that with YouTube, if I can share that with the people who watch me on YouTube, who want to learn more about IT, that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to share this with the people who want to learn more about IT, because I think ITProTV is the best place to learn more. Plain and simple. I couldn't say better things about them. ITProTV is the best place to learn anything you can about IT. And this isn't a paid promotion. I'm not getting paid for this. ITProTV has no idea that I'm doing this right now. I'm going to upload this to YouTube and I'm going to tag ITProTV in this, and they have no idea this is coming. They have no idea whatsoever. So this is just to say, like, this is why I do it. They're the best at what they do. So thank you, ITProTV, for doing what you do. Because if it wasn't for you, I think there's a lot of people who wouldn't be certified right now. A lot of people who just wouldn't get it. And I know that there's been a lot of people on this channel right now who have signed up for you guys because I've suggested it. And there's a lot of people who have signed up for you guys who have come back and said, hey, Zach, I signed up for ITProTV and they're amazing. And that's exactly what I want to hear. Like, that's fantastic. Like, I made a suggestion because that's what I believed in. They did it. What more can I, like, that's amazing. Like, that is fantastic. That is the best news that I can hear. ITProTV is doing something amazing. So if you guys really want to learn more about IT, you want to get certified, these are the people for you. Really can't say much more because I don't know what else I could possibly say without making it sound like a pitch, because I'm not trying to pitch you. I'm not trying to sell you. I'm not even going to give you my coupon code. I won't even put it in the description. Just go to their website. If you like it, sign up. That's it.